If you want to make money on TikTok, but you can't even get a single follower, then I want you to watch this video. Blowing up on TikTok is extremely easy. I don't know why people make it seem to be so hard. I'm gonna walk and explain step by step on how exactly you can achieve blowing up a faceless TikTok. So this is a TikTok that I made. It's at Who's Magnus. Right now it has 39.9k followers. It used to have around 45k. Now I can't show you the metrics because I stopped doing it like last year, like 2 months ago. But as you can see here, the most viewed video is 3.6 million, and this one's 120k, this one's 400. I got shadow banned, so all of the views right here did drop, but when you go back to when it was popping, look, 6k, these were the first videos, then 45k, 53k, 39k, 25. It's super easy. So in total, this TikTok has done around 4.5 million views, I would say. And to be quite frank, the content's really easy. I'm gonna show it right now.
I was able to fake my way into getting service at a restaurant wearing no shirt.
Bro, that is just so weird. Why would you want to do that? And Topper actually sounds happy about it. Like, what?
So the reason why my videos actually popped off is mainly because the view duration that they got. Now, if you're not too familiar with metrics on TikTok and social medias and like YouTube and stuff like that, your view duration will heavily affect how your video performs. If you have a low average view duration, then your video is not going to get pushed because the social media platform is going to think nobody likes your videos. However, if you have a really good average view duration, your videos are going to get pushed much more because people like them.
Yes, I know that this is really bad quality, but I just had to explain how average view duration affects everything else. So first, let's cover search rankings. So if you have really good average view duration, that means you'll get better search terms and better search rankings. So basically what that means is if you type up online how to make money in 2024, you're gonna come up first out of everybody else. So if you have a video that people can stay watching for a very long time, then that means your video will probably get recommended. So if you have bad search rankings, then you get no views. However, if you have good, then you get views. Now let's talk about engagement. It's quite similar for engagement. With engagement, if your videos are more engaging than anybody else's videos, then naturally your videos are going to get pushed more, your average view duration is going to be skyrocketing through the roof, and you're just going to get pushed way more. You're going to get way more views, and then that comes in to talk about ad revenue. Now with ad revenue, if people watch your videos all the way till the end, they're going to see more ads that the app will put on. So naturally you're going to make more money. However, if your average view duration sucks, your engagement sucks, then if people only watch past one ad, then you're literally going to make no money whatsoever. So if everything else sucks, then you have no views and then you're poor. But if you have good average view duration, search rankings, engagements, then you'll have good ad revenue, which means you'll have good views and you'll make some money.
My edits were mainly based around retention. So as you could see in the videos, I use popping captions. It's very satisfying. I change colors depending on the mood of the word I said. Say for instance, I said something like bad, then it would be red. If I said, oh yeah, that's a good thing, it would be green. Now the niche I did worked at the time, but you don't have to follow exactly what I did. What you can do is, let's say for example, you do the Snapchat show type ones where you report on celebrity life, what's going on, the mad drama that they go through. It's very similar to the type of stuff that I did editing wise. So the captions, when the speaker changes mood or tone, obviously the color depends on what they say, green being good, bad is red.
So halfway through editing, I've just pulled up the Who's Magnus account to actually explain what the pop-in text is and how I changed the color on the mood of the speaker. So let's look at this one that got 4 million.
Way into getting service at a restaurant wearing no shirt.
Bro, that is just so weird. Why would you want to do that? And Topper actually sounds happy about it. Like, what?
So today,
So I didn't use any color there, but as you can see, his video don't have no pop-ins whatsoever, but my one does. And I don't know why, but people just really like looking at it. Like, it's really satisfying.
I'm gonna see if I can get...
Well done, Topper. You're so smart. You're going to jail now.
But if I look at another one, so let's look at this one with 400k.
Me cry, win $100.
Bro, if this guy came up to me in real life and said, make me cry and win $100, I would be rich. I would flame his ass.
But when I said I'm gonna flame his ass, it was red. You know, that was a bad connotation of the word, so it's not really good to flame someone. So Yeah, that's why I did it red. On top of that, I also found some faceless content ideas you can do. So there's this one called breaking glass bottles, and it's extremely satisfying. And like, this video right here has 500,000 likes, but yeah, look at this. But basically what the idea is to smash a glass bottle, and it looks really satisfying. This is the one I was talking about. This is another account that I tried to do. This is called Ecstatic. So if I go to the most viewed one, 278k. Here we go, we'll watch this.
Chris Tyson just left the Mr. Beast team, and you won't believe why. I'm sure you already know by now that
So it's the same formula, pop-ins, but really fast cuts. And finally, this is one of the most generic ones you can do on TikTok, but this is actually movie clipping and getting some quotes, so we'll watch it.
Your name right now. Denise? Say it right. Denise. Correctly. Denise. Right. Denise. Right.
People who do this content make insane money. Look, he has 500,000 likes, and then the video is 3 minutes. So you know this guy is making a lot of money off this video. And how many views did it get? 6.1 mil. So yeah, he made a lot.
Now I also want you to keep this in mind that not everything is going to work. Now personally, I got lucky with this specific page because it really took me about, I'm going to say 3 to 4 weeks to get monetized. The way that you get monetized on TikTok is 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. It sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's really not. You can get monetized if your content's really that good and people will sit there and watch through it all. Make sure also that you run up numerous accounts. I did the same thing. I ran up the social media celebrity one. I did the one where I was roasting guys. I did it with loads of different names. I did it on loads of different social medias. I just found what worked and that what worked for me. And that's how you get a profit. Also, don't put all of your eggs into one basket. As I said, numerous accounts. Work on them daily. Don't slack on them either, you know, because you need that hard work and consistency for that page in order for it to start hitting the algorithm so you can actually blow up and make some money in the first place.
Yo guys, basically some crazy altercation happened. I never got to film an outro, so I thought I'll do it right now. There was one piece of information that I forgot to add, and that was actually to say do around 3 to 5 uploads per day on your TikTok. It sounds like a lot, and it is a lot, but you gotta find the space and the time in order to do that so you can actually make money on TikTok. It's the only way, because I did it and everybody else had to do it. You gotta keep that upload consistent. If you want me to go in detail a lot more and go right in depth of TikTok analytics, of me actually showing you to blow up a channel from scratch, whether it's to do with YouTube, TikTok, just let me know in the comments. I can always do that. I don't mind. It will take time, so bear that in mind. I can't blow up a channel overnight. It will take me about a month, maybe a bit less. But if you believe that you actually gain some knowledge and you're enjoying these videos, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment. All the support will be appreciated. And yeah, thanks for watching.